everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use len function to calculate the length of the text string. So, for this purpose, we will type a formula len and and we have to just click our cell. So, we will click cell B2 and press enter. So, here we can see that the length of the R of Patel is 11. So this function also calculates the space between the text. So let's calculate R of Patel. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it is also calculating the space. We will just double click here and we will get the length of the full name. So I hope you have understood the use of len function to calculate the length of the text string. Thank you for watching this video.